Hey guys, Eddie here with hyperstore.com. It's a rainy day outside, so I thought I might just stay inside and take some time and review a few of the chains that we have on sale right now at hyperstore.com. In the sale, we have everything from 12-inch to 24-inch chains. These are going to fit a wide range of your popular chainsaws that are out there right now and are being used. So let's take a look at some of these that I have here on the table and see what you're going to get for your money. Alright, I have a little bit of a selection here. This is no means all of them that are available right now, but thought I'd just, kind of just go through and take a look at them, see what you're getting. First up, we have this 12-inch 3/8 low profile 043. These are good for your stihl MS-180, MS-170s that have the 12-inch bar on them. There's those stills come with either a 12 or a 16, I believe. And these are semi-chisel, and they do come in a 3-pack, and they are the kickback variety. As you can see there, they do have the kickback link. And I'll take some of these out as I go along. I just want to go through these real quick. So that's a 3-pack for the 12-inch. Those will fit your stills. These will also fit the stihl MS-180s and MS-170s if you have a 16-inch bar. This is the 55 drive length with the 3/8 inch low profile. These will also fit your bars that are made for the PMM chains, the lesser chains. Now, Hipa does have those chains available as well. They're a little bit less aggressive cutting. They're a little bit more homeowner oriented. The regular 3/8 low profile is a great all-around chain for your stihl product. We can take a look at these. Actually, I have one of these open. I have a saw that this fits, so I've already used one, but it will come with 3-pack. And we can take a close-up look at those chains. You see they are labeled at Hipa. They have blue links, and you see the semi-chisel profile there, and of course your bumper, your anti-kickback device, and that is a standard skip. Next up, we have the 18-inch for these are for the stihl 18 inches with a 74 drive length. Now, I haven't looked, but I did order some for the Husqvarna 18-inch drive length, which it has 72 drive lengths, I think. It's a little bit different. It's the same 3.2 or 0.325 and the same 0.063, an 18-inch, but it's slightly less drive lengths, I think. I don't have one of those here yet, but that will fit your Husqvarna as well. These are also a semi-chisel and kickback safety chains, and also these are actually come in a 2-pack instead of a 3-pack. And see them there. That's a fairly beefy chain. Same thing, got blue links. All these are going to be the same, guys, as far as construction. These are all Hipa products. They are not rebrands of something else. They are branded Hipa products. Alright, next up we have a couple of 20-inch chains. Now these are a little bit different. This is a 72 drive length with a 3/8 and an 05 gauge. This is also a full chisel. Now this is going to be good for your big saws, your 028, your stihl 028, your Super Husqvarnas, your 362s with the 28 or 20-inch 3/8 bars on them. And these are a good sized chain. As you can see, this is a full chisel. These are a really nice product. Like I said, I've been using the chain on my stihl for a while now, and it's worked great. The last one I have here, and then the last one I have here is 81 drive length, 325 20-inch. This is going to be for your MS-290s, MS-310s, that sort of saw with a 20-inch bar on it. And again, just a really nice quality chain. And these are a 2-pack, as well as the previous 20s are a 2-pack, and you can see that this one is a semi-chisel. So You guys need to go check these out. They're very affordably priced, much cheaper than brand-specific chains, Husqvarna, stihl, that sort of thing. I think they're even cheaper than Oregon, but they're a really high-quality product. I'm really happy with these things. Go check them out, and like I say, they are on sale right now. You can buy one, get another one half off. Any savings in today's market is great, and that's just a great savings. If you're in the logging trade or a tree man or what have you, this is going to save you quite a bit of money. If you buy two packs of chain, you're basically getting a chain free. Sale's going on right now. It started today, actually, at midnight today. It'll run through the 3rd of June. Buy one, get 150% off. There's at last count, I think there was 20 or 25 different chains available for sale. So as always, guys, this is Eddie with husqvarna.com, and I appreciate you watching, and hope you'll go check out the sale. husqvarna.com. Thanks. Whether you're a homeowner or a professional, Hipa has a chainsaw chain to fit your needs. Hipa chains feature chrome-plated cutting teeth and hardened blue links, producing better wear and corrosion resistance. Chains featuring anti-kickback technology make them safer and more durable for the average homeowner and novice. Our chains stay sharper longer, easy to install, great cutting, and less sharpening. HipaStore.com has a full line of quality chains at affordable prices, with more sizes, types, and styles added monthly.
Make Hipa a great choice for your chainsaw needs.